Hey everybody, it's me, Max. I'm so glad you are joining me for story time. I'm excited to find out what book we are going to read. So let's find out with Mr. Narrator. Take it away.
Thanks, Max. Well, is everyone ready for the story? Great, let's go. Today's Storytime Storybook of the Day is My Friend is Sad by Mo Willems, an Elephant and Piggie book. Oh.
My friend is sad. I will make him happy. Yee-haw!
A cowboy? Oh.
Gerald loves cowboys, but he is still sad.
Huh? A clown? Oh.
Clowns are funny, but he is still sad.
Huh? A robot?
How can anyone be sad around a robot?
Oh.
Gerald,
Piggie!
I am sorry. I wanted to make you happy, but you are still sad.
I'm not sad now. I'm happy.
You are happy?
I'm happy because you are here. But I was so sad, Piggie. So very sad. I saw a cowboy.
But you love cowboys.
I do love cowboys, but you were not there to see him.
Well, in fact,
There was more. Then I saw a clown. A funny, funny clown. But you were not there to see him.
But
There was more. I saw a robot. A cool robot. And my best friend was not there to see it with me.
But, you see, I am here now.
You are. You are here now. My friend is here now. I need my friends.
You need new glasses.
The end. Can you find the pigeon?
This was a very good story. I like that all these exciting things were happening to Gerald, but he just didn't appreciate them until he could talk about it with his friend. He'd rather spend time with his friend than having other things happen. It shows how much he really, really likes Piggie. All right, well, bye everyone.